Textiltryck Malmö is an artist-run collective workshop located in a yellow townhouse in the centre of Malmö. Here, artists, designers and artisans share a workshop, a gallery and their experience. Our members handprint everything from unique monumental works to product series and small editions. The workshop is professionally equipped with several long printing tables, a dyeing machine, a fixing oven and so on. But our most important asset is the accumulated knowledge that our members bring and share with each other. Tryckta meter, printed meters, is a textile installation, a landscape of hand-printed fabrics designed by 12 of the workshop members. The installation highlights the craft's unique expression and possibilities, while at the same time questioning the contemporary attitude towards textiles as a fast and cheap product with a short lifespan. It is easy to be fooled by cheap prices for textiles from interior design department stores. And it can be difficult as a consumer to understand the difference between locally produced, long-term sustainable craftsmanship and mass-produced textiles with an enormous environmental impact. To achieve a sustainable society, we need to change our consumption patterns, and consumers need to learn to value and choose slow design over rapidly changing trends. The installation, Tryckta meter, makes a case for genuine craftsmanship that encourages well-considered choices of products that will last a long time. It is also a gesture against mass production, where fabrics are produced under poor conditions with an enormous environmental impact. We simply want to encourage a sustainable approach to textiles.